What is your greatest potential? Are you reaching it in your life? How can you become your most brilliant self?
The Women's Empowerment Workshop that I just attended was absolutely phenomenal. It changed my life. It gave me such a feeling of true empowerment. It was amazing.
This nature adventure retreat will transform your life. Through deep explorations in nature, you will learn skills you can take directly into your life. Women's Empowerment Workshop is held in Vail, in the heart of Colorado's Rocky Mountains, at the beautiful, peaceful, nurturing setting of the Vail Racquet Club. Our life coaches and wilderness facilitators will help you embark on a personal journey to your empowered self through deep, expertly guided explorations in nature. We begin by envisioning your life. This life coaching seminar helps you tap into your desires and opens you to the discoveries ahead.
In these decisions to help me move forward with my life and get past these blocks in my life that I was experiencing. I've been very stuck for a number of years and unable to move forward, and the Women's Empowerment Workshop gave me the tools that I needed to make the decision to move forward and to take that step, take that leap, and trust myself.
Explore your life's journey as you venture into the mountain forest. Each foot forward shapes the passage and delivers you closer to yourself and to your dreams. Learn the art of navigating your river of life. Balance, flexibility, knowing when to eddy out and when to paddle like crazy. Discover horses as a window to your soul. Horses are profound teachers of trust and truth and will mirror your authentic self. Nurture your inner wisdom. Explore tools for stress relief, journaling, the wisdom of being present to your emotions, and the power of choice. Triumph over the walls in life through courage, persistence, and problem solving. At the workshop, we're not here to conquer nature, but to learn from her and from ourselves. Bring your mother, sister, or girlfriends and take the journey together. Thrive in a nurturing circle of women. Life coaches, wilderness and equine therapists, all make this workshop unlike any you've ever experienced. It is a time for asking questions and for finding answers. Experience a more empowered, confident, and meaningful life, and learn to manifest your potential. Discover the power of nature. Discover the power of you.